Hello and welcome to this feature of the week, which focuses on the data extractor part of our GastroPlus GPT suite of AI-powered tools. In this feature of the week, you will be introduced to the data extractor, how to access it, and what results it gives with an example. The data extractor is an AI-powered table and plot digitizer within the GastroPlus GPT suite. It enables users to extract structured, machine-readable data from images of tables and plots, automating the digitization process of scientific and pharmacokinetic data. To access the data extractor, click on the Help view in GastroPlus 10.2 and then click on the GastroPlus GPT button. The GastroPlus GPT link is also available in the GastroPlus documentation at this link. If you have the GastroPlus version 10.1, you can access it via this link that is in the bottom of the slide. After clicking, this landing page will open in your default browser. If this is your first time accessing GastroPlus GPT, you will need to click on Sign Up to request access. Once you have signed and have access, you can click on Login instead and enter your credentials to access the data extractor. One tip that can be helpful here, you can bookmark this web page in your browser. This way, you can access the GastroPlus GPT website directly in the future. Once logged in, select Data Extractor from the sidebar menu on the left. You can now upload or drag and drop an image file of your table or plot. Let's do it with this plot that represents the lamotrigine concentration in plasma versus time in 3 different groups in a DDI study: inducers, inhibitors, and others. Once the image is uploaded, the data extractor will inform you that a plot has been identified. Then you will be able to click on Extract Plot Data. While not shown here, you can also upload images of tables and extract the tabular data. After a few seconds, the results will appear on the screen. A regenerated plot and a table containing the data from the plot with the X and Y-axis data and units will be generated. You can select cells in the table by clicking and dragging over the table or shift-clicking multiple cells. This enables you to copy and paste the data to another app, such as an Observe Data profile in GastroPlus. If manual adjustments are needed, you can switch the Enable Editing toggle on to edit the table. Options to download the results in text or JSON format are also available. If you hover over the table, a box will appear on the top right corner of the table. You will have the options to download the table as a CSV file, search within the table, and put the table into full screen mode. In summary, the data extractor automatically digitizes data from an image of a table or a plot. It returns the data in a table and also provides a reconstructed graph for plots, enabling you to visually compare results. The data can be edited and downloaded in text or JSON format, and the table can also be saved as a CSV file. That brings us to the end of this feature of the week. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.simulations-plus.com or contact us via email. Thank you.